Hello YouTube, just a quick update of what's going on with the van. I got a temporary blanket here. I found this thing out in my barn that the previous owner left here, and it's got a little hook on it that fits down inside there, and then it just extends, and then you tighten that. The same thing on the other side. You just put it to the length you want, tighten that, and it stays pretty good. This here is kind of wobbly. I don't know if it's going to affect anything when I'm driving. I'm going to try it out tomorrow. And then I got this wool blanket that I've had for years and never really used. So I put that on there. And I kind of wish both sides would have touched the floor, but it's long enough to where it touches the floor, and it comes down to right here. So I would like those to be even. I think that's enough though where it's not gonna flop over and fall off. And then maybe later I might put some clamps right here on both sides. But I just got that pulled back. This is just temporary right now. I got that tied off right there. And then the other thing I did is I got all that taped. I still got to insulate that, but I got all that taped, and that's about it for now. Thanks for watching.